Welcome back to the Electrician's Channel. Today we're going to talk about my KLEIN tools, adjustable strippers. We're going to give it a trial run and just see how well these things do. These are my personal pliers as well that I keep in my tool bag, and I use these mainly for when I'm working in a panel or a machine that I have to strip wires to a certain size and I have to do it quickly. I run to these, and these help, get me out of that jam. But the model number to these pliers or these strippers are 11061. It's called KLEIN Tools Adjustable Strippers, and that's the model number. It cuts from solid wire from 10 gauge to 20 gauge wires, and stranded it cuts from 12 gauge to 22 gauge wires. This here, right here, these screws you see before you is the adjuster right here on how much length you want, insulation you want cut off the wire that you're cutting. You're able to put it up to here, you tighten it, and once you put it in here, for example, you put this in here, this stops it, and it'll start cutting from right where it pinches down and pull that insulation off. This is a real good tool, and this is right here is a blade. If you would decide to cut the wire, you put it in here and you cut. Now, this don't have a crimper. This doesn't have a crimper, but this is a darn good cutter. And you electricians out there, I know this is not an everyday tool that you'll probably carry in your service bag when doing calls, but this is a real precise tool. Give you precise whatever you want to cut off your wire, and it's a quick tool like that. I like it a whole lot. If I had to rate it, scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it a 10. I like this tool. In fact, I'm gonna give you an idea of how it cuts. This is 12-2 solid wire right here. I'm gonna adjust it. I'm gonna loosen this up, make an adjustment. I'm gonna put it to here, tighten it up. Watch how precise and how, if you want that much off, or let's go a little bit more. Let's go a little bit more. Or that much off. You want to cut it, or if you don't want to use this all together, you could just loosen it up, fold it down here out of your way, tighten it up so you won't lose that. Put however much you want in there, and there you have it. It's a real good tool. Real good tool to have. This is what I keep this tool in my specialty tool bag, where I have all the tools that's needed, but I don't need them on a daily basis. But I have them. I have a certain bag where I keep just all my specialty tools at. Tools that I may need if I have hard screws of different types, of different heads on them, or like wire strippers here. Screwdrivers, square head screwdrivers, and Torx head screws and things like that. I keep it in a specialty tool bag, so depends on what I'm dealing with. But this is a real fine tool. I really like this tool, and I suggest you guys out there in the field, you buy one if you see one out there. Now they have a lot of different brands. This is a KLEIN known for having good products. They have a lot of brands out there. You may get a pair for $5, but you get what you pay for. KLEIN, I think I paid something like $30 for this tool right here, and it's worth every penny. It's real solid. The grips feel real good, and KLEIN is known for that. Top of the line feel, really soft. They don't weigh much. They don't weigh much at all. Let me see. 12.3 ounces. 12.3 ounces. Okay, this is a real fine tool. Real good tool. So with that being said, fellas, I'm gonna close this video. I want to tell you guys thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have many videos coming after this one. I have many videos that I've done in the past. Take a look at my channel, the Electrician's Channel, where we review only the best of the best best of the best tools for electricians. And I want to thank you guys once again. In the meantime, be safe. Peace out.